In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record and then add a voiceover in Google Slides. So if you need to record some audio, you can do this for free. You can then add it to Google Slides. So when you present it, you can play the audio very easy. So what you need to do is go to Google Slides, and we also need a program or an app to record the audio. Now I'm going to use an online audio tool, but you can also use Audacity if you've got it downloaded. For a free online tool though, just type in free audio recorder onto Google and you can go ahead and then find one. Skip the paid advertisements and then go to this one here, online-voice-recorder.com. This will allow you to record your voice. So if you go to settings in the bottom right hand corner, it's then going to ask you to use your microphone. I'm just going to change it to my webcam audio, so it doesn't conflict with the video recording. Then we can go ahead and allow for this. So now we've got the microphone in use. You can see it here. Now we're ready to start recording. So we can now click on the recording button and it will start recording. But don't worry, because we can crop this off when we edit it. So we can crop all this audio out. You can now go back to your presentation. And now you can record what you need to say. So we can go to slideshow mode. So I may want to talk about my presentation. This is a presentation on how to speak to frogs. So here's the overview about the presentation. And here are the problems that we're going to solve. Okay, so you get the point, right? So we need to record the audio. Then we can come back to this voice recording and we can go ahead and click on the stop button. And like I said, you can go ahead and trim the start here where you made any mistakes, and the end if that's not necessary as well. So now we've got the audio here, we can click on save. It's going to then add it to the downloads of our computer. Now what we can do is import it into Google Slides. Now to do that, we're first going to need to upload it to Google Drive. So open a new tab and just type in Drive. And once you're in Google Drive, you can click New, File Upload. Then go to your downloads and find the recording. Once the recording has been uploaded to Drive, you'll be able to see it in Recents. You can then go back to Google Slides, click Insert, then click on Audio, and then here we can go back to Recent, and you should then see the recording that you just added. So now if we click on it and click Insert, should then add it, and then you'll see an icon down here. If you click on this icon, you can then choose when you want your audio to start playing. So that will probably be on click or automatically, whichever works for you. You've got your volume, and you may want to uncheck this, which says stop on slide change. So then you can just go through your slideshow as intended. The audio will play and it won't stop when you change slides. Once you've done that, you can just open up your slideshow, and then when you present it, all you need to do is click on this audio button and then click play, and it will start playing the audio, and you can then present the slideshow. So I may want to talk about my presentation. This is a presentation on how to speak to frogs. So here's the overview about the presentation.